but you have got a good hand.
Oh, hippity hoppity.
Look what I'm thinking.
Oh no, I mean, mate. Oh no.
Let's go, boys.
Left. Left.
Don't worry, my friend.
Let's go to the Vikings room, remember?
Okay, speed versus now. Straight to point, go left, left, left.
Any healing? Any healing? Any healing?
Where's those high grounds?
Yep.
Let's focus the target.
Right.
I'm gonna
Alright, it's gone.
Zarya discord. Ryan half.
Right,
High
one.
ground.
Oh,
Right there.
can we get his end? His arm run?
Okay, they see now.
Cool.
Okay, so good.
Kills Arya.
Let's go.
Is that behind?
Stand behind, just boot him off on me.
Okay, they went straight on the fodder, that's fine.
I think I should switch to Widow now.
No, it's fine. We need to practice against farmers so you can do it right.
Okay.
Far half, she's discorded.
Okay.
Left hand side,
So do you.
I'll chase her. Oh, yeah.
she's coming main.
Where is she then?
Go like that.
Far
Hello,
half
bitch,
again.
you're about to die!
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
No.
Go, fuck strength.
Far discorded. Widow, stop. You can deep, can you dive Widow?
Oh,
Never
yeah.
mind. I got it. Top.
Nice. That was not fair. Thanks for the
Oh,
bubble.
kill someone else. Oh.
Nice.
No, the bubble.
That guy's reset. We lost the main guy.
I should spawn right here, yeah.
Hold up. Okay, go back, we're just speeding right now.
Yeah.
Can't engage, go to field.
Oh, I'm being booted over it. How'd I get
One
booted?
side.
Go left, go like behind them.
Yeah, go around. Okay, look out for Farah ult. I have my chance. Wait for Ryan.
Right now.
Okay.
Nice on him.
Cool.
Alright.
Focus our grab.
Right there. Nice.
I'm moving payload.
Can I please stop getting 100 MS?
The rest,
Far as a revive behind.
Farah half.
Careful, Diva. Right, beware, I've got 100 ping.
I'm rallying now.
Ryan one.
Right.
Watch out, you're taking a lot of damage, man.
Far as behind.
Farah's dead.
We got
Nice.
it.
Right half.
Regroup. I wouldn't, yeah. Just go back.
Yeah.
They used fire ult, they used Rhino.
Reset. Come back, all the way back.
Nice, everyone.
They used McCree, that's good.
Come back and spawn.
They should now have no DPS ults.
You're fine now, homie. You stay there.
Right, let's go left again. Should that work?
I have ult for next fight.
Yep.
Nice.
Need healing. I'm dead. Farah's above.
Okay, this is still winnable.
Farah behind.
Mercy, the scorer, she's half, she's dead.
Farah
Go for
behind.
Sadia. Sadia's dead.
Sorry, one second.
Don't ignore Farah. Don't ignore Farah.
Right, no.
Nice.
Ryan
Go
one.
big, Focus Ryan.
Ryan dead.
Nice.
That should be easy.
I have gold. I have my Diva bomb. I just have to get Diva back first. Nice.
Cool, nice work.
Okay, let's go, boys.
So, did you see what we did there? We pressured the Farah the whole time so she couldn't get clear sight lines on our backline until the end. Yeah, it was.
Very lucky.
I wouldn't recommend Goat's defense though.
No, we're not doing that.
I think I have a feel like they will run goats themselves,
Wait.
so we can run anti-goats.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Here, let me.
They never run goods.
Yeah, no, the anti-ghost is our default defense on this map.
I'm gonna go Reaper then.
No, you normally go Sombra and I go Doomfist. Yeah, there we go. And, okay.
Oh, wait, who's that? Oh, that's the Zarya.
Wait, shouldn't we go Zen? Maybe I
You want then? Oh, it's more thinking if I get died, I can protect backline.
Yeah, okay, yeah, no. I think it's fine, yeah. That's good. Plus, we're pretty brawly, so that's good.
Yeah.
We just need somebody, like, kind of babysit, right? So I guess Diva try to stay. Vorige keer ging je allemaal
Oh my god, that was...
Wait, what do you call it again? I forgot. Slopen. We gingen alles slopen. Oh my good kind.
Right, I'm gonna sit properly because this is hurting my knee.
Oh, this guy's Dutch.
Okay. Hey guys, there's no point in peeking yet. That's zero. Save your shield, man.
Good.
Okay, they're coming point.
Ryan hacked, Ryan outside. He's low. He's off. Ryan low.
Okay. We found. They're not coming point yet. They're going right hand side though.
We're at top. Oh,
Mercy hack.
careful on Nina.
Ryan's leaving. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, we stalled up.
Reloading.
Oh no.
I don't like it.
Nice,
Right
right.
Widow
on the right.
Widow right. Okay, I don't think we're getting much value out of the DPS right now.
Yeah.
Should we go counter hit scan? Counter Widow. Basically.
Help, bro.
Keep shield.
Next to the rest.
Yep.
Watch out for Widow.
Oh, that hit me on the head.
Widow's behind.
Widow
Because I
behind.
hit him.
Widow
Okay,
off.
well, you're gonna need to pop off. You're getting right.
Do you want me to go Victory?
Yeah. It's just we're not getting much value out of the Doom right now.
Yeah, you're right.
To who?
That was the canopy.
Let's push on point. Focus Zarya, she's really high charge. Go. Dude,
Yo, my flashbang, dude.
can you charge the Zen out?
Widow one is back.
Rainy's on
Oh,
me.
for fuck's sake.
One.
Get fucked.
Nice shot.
Mercy. Mercy. Yo.
There's the Rose.
Good one.
Oh.
Good one. She's literally one. She's Me and her we're having a fucking battle there. She was literally one.
You too.
Rogue, don't get too aggressive.
I wanna go like around here and get some high ground.
Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna fly, I guess. I can see. Never mind.
Oh, they're going this way.
Oh, Bobby.
They're going on the right.
They're main.
Good on,
The guys in the house. The room.
She's one. Zarya half. Zarya. Zilla.
The
Don't worry,
behind.
it's only Mercy. Okay. We have Shatter McCree.
Wait, they're behind.
Behind.
Wow!
Nice. Yeah,
Very nice sniping.
I'm gonna rush you, don't worry.
Thanks.
Zarya low. Zarya dead.
Right, Ryan's got no shout. Got no barrier.
Yeah, walls.
Watch out for
Okay,
the
guys,
leader.
guys, don't
She's
engage.
going always behind.
Guys, do a full reset, because we're going to engage the side research again.
Widow one, literally one. And that's just full health.
Keep that shield up.
Healing.
Kill. We're good. Spread on point.
He's
Keep Ryan alive.
Hey, get some healing.
Yep, I'm on my way. We're flanking. Okay, go point. I'll get you healed.
Zarya sleeping.
Run.
I force then.
Charge that Zen out.
very nice. Zarya's
Mercy on the
sleeping.
right. Mercy on the right.
Zen sleeping.
Where?
Doesn't matter.
Rest.
DM me. Thank you. No problem. I'm gonna have my help.
Yeah, walls now.
Zarya's sleeping again. That's that's what it is.
Right, shield down as well. Ryan, get down.
Widow dead.
I ate it.
Nice.
Let's go, bro.
Rain, shoot.
Nice.
Has he not
That was
asleep?
fucking sweet. I liked it. I like playing McCree there.
Grab out poggers.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, that was insane.
Oh, here we go. Oh my, I'm so embarrassed.
Why do they keep asking this?
Wow.